In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Google Photos link. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to share a photo, video, or entire album using a link that anyone can open. This is perfect when you want to send something quickly without worrying about file sizes or whether the recipient has a Google account. First, open Google Photos. You can do this in the Google Photos app on your phone or tablet, or by visiting photos.google.com in a web browser on your computer. Take a second to confirm you're signed in to the correct Google account, especially if you use more than one. That way, you're accessing the right library and sharing the right content. Next, select the item you want to share. Tap or click to open a single photo or video. If you're on mobile and want to highlight an item before you open it, a quick tap will do. If you'd like to share a whole collection, go to the Albums section and choose the album you want. Sharing an album is a great option for events, trips, or any group of memories you want to keep together. Remember, the choice is yours: a single photo, a single video, or a complete album. Now find and tap the Share button. On most screens, the Share icon looks like three dots connected by lines or a small triangle of nodes. You'll usually see it at the top of the screen on desktop and near the bottom or top on mobile, depending on your device. This is the same icon you'd use to send items directly to someone, but today we're focusing on generating a link. Then, choose Create Link. Google Photos will instantly generate a shareable link for the photo, video, or album you selected. This link is public in the sense that anyone who has it can open what you shared, even if they don't use Google Photos. It won't show your entire library, only the specific item or album you selected. A good practice is to share the link only with people you trust and avoid posting it in public places unless that's your intention. Once the link is created, you'll see it ready to copy. From there, you can paste it into a message, email, chat, or anywhere you communicate. The recipient just clicks the link and views your content. No downloads required on their end unless they choose to save it. That's all there is to it. Open Google Photos, select your item, tap Share, and create the link. Quick, consistent, and easy every time.